the hello? Hello?
Yes.
Yeah. So
Yes,
let's
sir.
also find the distance covered in the vertical axis. The difference here is y minus y1. And the difference here is y2 minus y. Please do you get that? So over here, y is y2. And then over here is y. Over here is y1. Have you drawn the diagram? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Have you drawn the diagram?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then let's look at triangle APE. APE. And then we also have triangle PBC. PBC. We have these two triangles. So the first one is triangle APE. APE. This triangle. The second one is triangle PBC. PBC. So this triangle. So you have two triangles here. Hope you can see them. We are going to write the ratio of corresponding sides. The ratio of corresponding sides. The ratio of corresponding sides are equal. The ratio of corresponding sides are equal because these are similar triangles. They are similar triangles. The triangles are similar triangles because the ratio of corresponding sides are equal. This implies that the line AE is divided by the line PC. And this is equals to the line AP divided by the line PB. And it was equals to the ratio M/N. Please, do you see? Hello? but AE is equals to X minus X1. And then PC is also equals to X2 minus X. So we are going to write AE dividing PC to be equals to X minus X1 divided by X2 minus X. This will be equals to the ratio M over N. Please, are you following? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Are you following?
Yes, please.
Okay. So we are going to just this equation. We are going to simplify it and then make X the subject of this equation. Hope you can do that. We have X minus X1 all divided by X2 minus X is equals to M over N. Make X the subject of this equation. Rachel? Hello?
Hello, sir.
Can you make X the subject of the equation? Okay, let's do it on the board. The first thing we cross multiply. So N will multiply X minus X1 equals to M also multiplying X2 minus X. Let's expand the bracket. We have NX minus NX1 is equals to M X2 minus MX. We are making X the subject, so we group like terms. So this will be NX plus MX is equals to MX2 minus NX1. So here we factorize what out?
X.
We factorize X out. We have M, I want to write the M first, M plus N. Okay. To be equals to MX2 minus NX1. Okay. In making S the subject, what do we do?
We divide through by M plus N.
Yes, so X will be equals to MX2 minus NX1 all divided by M plus N. Have you gotten that?
Sir.
Okay.
Sir.
Now we took this one.
Sir, please, can I?
Yes.
Sir, please. In the expanding,
Yeah.
you had NX minus NX1
Yes.
is equal to X2 minus MX.
Yes.
So like, when the MX crosses over, it's become plus.
Yes.
So,
yes. So
I
over
think
here,
N1 becomes plus.
it's plus. It's plus. It's plus. Thank you. It's plus. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
So this is plus. This will be plus. Okay, so as I said, we took AE over PC to be equals to M over N, right?
Yes, sir.
Now I want us to take AP over PB to be equals to the same ratio M over N. So now we know the value of AP. AP, what is the value of AP? In terms of, here we are referring to the vertical axis. Okay, we want to find for the value of Y. So we are referring to the vertical axis. Therefore, AP over PB, we know AP to be equals to what? AP is equals to what? AP is equals to Y minus Y1 from the diagram. And PB is also equals to Y2 minus Y. Y2 minus Y. Now let's substitute. Hello.
Hello, sir.
So now here to the same thing, let's make Y the subject. When M is equals to we have Y minus Y1 divided by Y2 minus Y is equals to M over N. We are making Y the subject. So the same way we cross multiply, we get N outside the bracket, 1 minus Y1 to be equals to M outside Y2 minus Y. So we expand, we get NY minus NY1 to be equals to MY2 minus MY. We are making Y the subject. So NY is here minus, so that will be plus MY to be equals to y2 plus n y1. Hello?
Hello, sir.
Hello, sir.
Okay, so make y the subject. Have we gotten it?
Yes, please.
Y is equals to
my2 plus ny1 over m plus n.
my2 again.
my2 plus ny1
Yes,
over m plus n.
over m plus n. That's very good. And that's correct. So now we've already found the x, and now this is the y. So now let's conclude. In conclusion, you will say that the coordinates of the point P, which is x, comma y, is equals to m x2 plus n x1 divided by m plus n. Comma is here. Then the y is m y2 minus, sorry, plus n y1 all over m plus n. So this is the coordinate of the point. When a given line is divided into a ratio, m is to n. M is to n. To get the s component, it is m x2 plus n x1 divided by m plus n. Then the other point will be my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n, which is the sum of the ratio. So the sum of ratio here, sum of ratio there. First ratio times x2, second ratio times x1. First ratio times y2, second ratio times y1, all over the sum. Okay. That is why we said for the midpoint of a line, the ratio is 1:1. Okay. When we're finding the midpoint of a line, we said to get a midpoint P, the coordinates of P will be x1 plus x2 dividing 2. Okay, comma y1 plus y2 also divided by 2. This is how to find the midpoint. That's why I said that for the midpoint, the ratio, the m is to n. The m is to n is equivalent to 1:1. Okay? Because we assume that the 1 is multiplying the x here. And then also multiplying another one is also multiplying this. 1 plus 1 is 2. So that is why we divide it by 2. Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
So the same way, we assume that 1 is multiplied by y1, another one is also multiplied by y2. Then we divide it by the sum. 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay? So finding the midpoint of a line is like the line is divided into a given ratio and the ratio is 1:1. So the main formula we use is this: ms2 plus ns1 all over m plus n, comma, my2 plus ny1 all over m plus n. Any question? Rachel,
Yes, sir.
ask me a question. No question.
Yes, please.
Hello?
Hello, sir.
No question.
No, sir.
No, please.
Okay. Then, meaning we are ready to answer the following questions. Let's write them. Find the coordinates of the point. Find the coordinates of the point P, which divides AB internally. Which divides AB internally in the ratio 2:1. In the ratio 2:1.
Sir.
If the points,
Sir,
yes,
please, can you start over again?
find the coordinates of the point P. Find the coordinates of the point P, which divides AB. Which divides AB internally. Which divides AB internally in the ratio 2:1. In the ratio 2:1. If the points are A, 11,1 and B, 2,7. If the points are A, 11,1 and B, 2,7. Draw your hands on this one and tell me the answer. 1 minute. Hello?
Sir.
Kofi? Kofi, are you there?
Yes, please.
Okay, so try your hands on this one and give me the answer. Hello, are we finished?
Yes, please.
Okay. What are the coordinates of P?
8,5.
8,5. Rachel, what did you get? Mary? Hello, Mary.
Sir. Please, I got 5,5.
5,5. Rachel
Sir, please, I also had 5,5.
also had 5,5.
Yes, please.
Okay, very good, very good. Let's solve it on the board. Okay, so for internal divisions of a line, for internal divisions, for line the P will be equals to M X2 MS2 plus N X1 over M plus N, comma M Y2 plus N Y1 over M plus N, like this. So we're given the point A to be equals to 11,1. Then B, the points were 2,7. So just substitute P to be equals to, the ratio given was 2:1. 2:1. This is the ratio. Is to 1. So we substitute this into this. So this will be 2 multiplied by x2. x2 is 2 plus 1 multiplied by x1. x1 is 11 divided by 2 plus 1, comma m2. m2 is also 2. So m is 2. And then y2 is 7 plus n is 1. y1 is 1 divided by 2 plus 1. So I get 4 plus 11 divided by 3, comma 14 plus 1 divided by 3. P is equals to 15 divided by 3, comma 15 divided by 3, which is equals to 5, comma 5. So 5, comma 5, we are correct. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you are correct. Yes, the answer is 5, comma 5. Hello, Kofi.
Yes.
You made a mistake somewhere.
Well, for the first one, it says M and then X. So why isn't it the 2 times the 11 rather?
The formula says m by x2.
I couldn't see
So,
that one. Sorry.
this x1, and then this y1. This x2, then this y2. Okay,
Okay.
and the ratio is 2:1. So the first ratio is this. So the m represents the 2 by x2. x2 is 2 divided by the sum of the ratio. Hope you have forgotten it.
Yeah, please.
And so this one too, the first ratio times y2. y2 is 7 plus the second ratio also times y1. Then you get this 1 times this, then the sum is 3. So this will be 4 plus 11 over 3, and then 14 plus 1 also over 3. Then you get 5, 15 over 3, 15 over 3, which will be 5, 5, 5. Let's take the second question. Are you ready? Hello?
Yes, please.
Ready for the
Yes.
second
Yes, please.
question?
Yes, please.
Let's write. Find the coordinates of the point P. Find the coordinates of the point P, which divides the line segment. Which divides the line segment AB internally in the ratio. Which divides the line segment AB internally in the ratio 2:3. Where A is -2, 5. Where A is -2, 5. -2, 5. And B is 4, 2. So now let's find the coordinates of the point P.
Sir,
Hope
please,
you've
what was
gotten
the
the
ratio?
question. The ratio is 2:3. The ratio is 2:3.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello, sir.
Hello. Are you done? What's the answer?
0.33, 3.17.
0 point. Right,
Point
write it in a fraction form for me. Can you write it in a fraction form?
1/3, 19 on 6.
Is it equals what about what?
1/3,
1/3, comma
19 on 6.
19 on 6.
Yes, please.
Yes, Mary, what did you get?
Service, I got um service. I've made a mistake. Is that correct? Service, I got 0.4 and then 3.8, which is
Into a fraction is what?
so the 19/5, which is the 3.8 will be 3 whole number 4/5.
3 whole number
Then
4/5.
5. Then the 2/5 will be no, I can't read it.
Hello, Kofi, what did you get?
Yes, I had 2/5, 3.
2/5, 3. Okay, let's take it step by step. So first of all, we write the formula to be equals to. The formula to be equals to what? Hello. Hello. Can you see the board? Hello, can you see the board?
Yes, please.
So have you seen the answer now? 5.2, 19 on 5. Please, any question? The points given were A was -2.5, -2.5. And then B is 4.2, like this. So this is your X1, and this is your Y1. This is your X2, and this is your Y2. So just substitute into this, then you get your answer. Any question? Hello?
No, please.
Can we continue? Hello?
No, sir.
So now let's look at external divisions of a line. I hope this one is okay.
Yes, please.
Hello? Hello?
Yeah. Hello, sir.
Please, I want to draw the diagram of
Okay, sir.
Hello.
Say,
Okay, so have you seen the diagram now? So the diagram,
Yes.
we have the line AB. The first line is line AB, where A has the coordinates x1, y1. B has the coordinates x2, y2. Okay. Hello.
hello, say,
Okay, sir.
So the line AB is extended to the point P S, y. Okay. And then it's divided in the ratio M is to N. So the M start from A to P. That's the first ratio. And the second ratio is from P to B. Okay. And that one is the N. So this external divisions of a line segment in the ratio M is to N. So this one is similar to the internal divisions. Hello.
hello, say,
This division is similar to the external divisions to the internal divisions, to the internal divisions of a line, which we know, right?
Yes, sir.
Here, the only difference is that for the ratios, the smaller number is made negative. Among the two ratios, the smaller number is made negative. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so we use the same formula, but the smaller ratio is made negative. So in that case, the formula becomes, because one of them must be negative, instead of plus, it will be minus. So P the point of P will be equals to mx2 minus n x1 dividing m minus n, comma, m y2 minus n y1 divided by m minus n. This one is given by this. The internal one is plus. The external one is minus. That's the only difference. Okay. So let's take an example using the external division of a line. Are you ready? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Let's take a question on external division of a line. Hope you've
Okay, sir.
gotten the formula.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let's write the question. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment. Joining A 2,5 to B 4,2. Externally in the ratio 2:1. Externally in the ratio 2:1. So here too, you write down the formula. Please, have you gotten the question?
So please can you go over?
Find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment. A 2,5 to B 4,2 or 4,2. Externally in the ratio 2:1. Externally in the ratio 2:1. Have you gotten it?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Have you gotten it?
Yes, please.
Okay. I hope you can try this one too. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Are you on it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, please, I got
Yes, I'm listening.
sir, please, I got 6 and -1.
6, -1.
Yes, please.
That's Rachel.
Mary.
Mary. Okay, Mary. Rachel, what did you get? Yes. What have you got?
Yes, please. I got 3. Sorry. Yes, 3, -1.
You got 3, -1. Okay, Kofi, what did Kofi?
Sir, actually, I just came back. I was doing
How,
some network, so I just came back.
your network cutting.
Yes.
Okay.
Sir,
Hello,
sir, please, I made a mistake.
Mary or who?
Sir, Rachel.
Rachel, okay.
Yes. Sir,
So-
please, I have my answer to be 6 and -1.
Very good, very good, very good. 6 -1 is correct. Right? So just write down the formula. And we know the formula is this. M multiplied by x2 minus n multiplied by x1 dividing m minus n. And then y multiplied by y2 minus n y1 over m minus n. Okay. So when you substitute, you get P to be equals to 2 into 4. And then 1 into 2 divided by 2 minus 1, comma, 2 into 2 minus 1 into 5, dividing 2 minus 1, which will give us P to be equals to 8 minus 2 over 1, and then 4 minus 5 over 1, which will give us 6, comma, -1. Okay, so the answer is 6,1 or -1, 6, -1. Hello,
Hello, sir.
Kofi, are you online?
Yes, please.
Please, the internal division, did you get it before?
Yes, I did.
You got the formula for internal divisions of a line.
Yes.
Hello, Kofi.
Yes.
Yes. Kindly read the formula to me. What is the formula about?
The formula is mx2 plus nx1 over m plus n. That's for x. And then for y, it's my2 plus ny1 over m plus n.
Good. So the standard one too is not different from that. The standard one is just that one of the ratios should be made negative. Probably the smaller one. The smaller number should be made negative. So here the formula is ms2 minus ns1, all divided by m minus n, comma, my2 minus ny1, all divided by m minus n. Okay.
Yes, please.
Okay. So now let's solve the next one, after which I'll give you today's assignment. Okay.
Okay.
Are you ready? The question is, P divides the line AB. P divides the line AB externally in the ratio 3:2. P divides the line AB externally in the ratio 3:2. Where A has the coordinates -1, 2, and B 3, 4. Find the coordinates of P.
Please, could you repeat the coordinates?
A has -1, 2, -1, 2, and B has 3, 4. The
And
ratio
then there
is
is
3:2.
okay.
So start work. 1 minute. Hello, are we finished?
Yes, please.
Yes, please.
Yes. Okay, the answer is
Sir, please, I had 11 and 8.
okay. That's Mary.
It's Rachel.
Okay.
Okay, Rachel. Mary, what is your answer?
It's 11 and 8.
Sophie, what is your answer?
I had 11 and 1.
11 and 1. Check your working work. Check your latest work. This one is minus, so if you are not careful with your derivatives, you may get it wrong. I think the correct answer is 11,8. Okay. Sophie, do you get it?
Yes, I do.
Should I write it on a board?
No, it's fine.
Okay. So, when we substitute, the m is 3. So you shall get p to be equals to 3 into 3. 3 into 3 minus 2 into 1 divided by 3 minus 2. And then the y component will be 3 into 4 minus 2 into 2. Also divided by 3
Sir,
minus 2.
sir,
Yes.
please, the x1 is -1.
The x1 is negative
It's
1. Yes.
-1.
Yes. Yes. So, okay. So this negative. Thank you. It's -1. Yeah, because this one is negative, there to be 9 plus what? 2 dividing 1. And then this one to be 12 minus 4 also by 1. So finally we shall get 11,8. Hope you have gotten it.
Yes, I have.
Good. Now quickly before as usual, I'll put the assignment on the page. Okay. The slope of a line segment. Have you seen it?
Please.
Yes.
Okay. The slope of a line segment or the gradient of a line. The gradient of a line. The gradient of a line. So the same way, let's say you have the line AB. This A, X1, Y1. Then this B, X2, Y2. We are determining the slope. The slope, we can draw something like this. How slopey this line is. In determining the slope, we consider the movement in the vertical axis compared to the movement in the horizontal axis. Okay. So the gradient, you say the gradient is equals to the gradient of a line is equal to change in y-axis divided by change in x-axis. Moving from this to this, the x-axis has changed from this to that, from x1 to x2. When I say the x-axis, it means a change in the horizontal axis. Here it was x1. Then here it has moved to x2. So that there is a change here in the horizontal axis. The same way if you consider the vertical axis. That one to here was y1. It has moved to this place or the final position, which is y2. So in the vertical axis too, there is a change, as well as a change in the horizontal axis. So to find the gradient or the slope, the gradient is given to be change in y divided by change in x. Okay. Let's take an example. Find the gradient of a line. Joining the points A, 2,3 and B, 5,6. Find the gradient of a line joining the points 2,3 and B, 5,6. Gradient or the slope. The gradient is given by change in y, that will give you y2 minus y1. When there is a change in y, that is from the diagram, the difference between this and this will be y2 minus y1. Okay. The same way, the difference between the horizontal axis is also x2 minus x1. Okay. So change in y over change in x. This implies y2 minus y1, all divided by x2 minus x1. So now the gradient at times is represented by m. So let's represent gradient with m. So m is equals to y2. What is y2? What is the value of y2? From the points given, y2 is equals to what?
Is 6.
6. And then y1 is what?
3.
3. So 6 minus 3 divided by x2. x2 is 5.
Is 5.
Minus x1. x1 is 2, right? So this will
Yes.
give us 3 divided by 3 divided by 3, right?
Yes, sir.
Which is equals to
1.
1. So the gradient m is equals to 1. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Another example. Find the gradient of the line joining the following points. Find the gradients of the line joining the following points. P is -3,6. And Q is 7,11. So you have PQ. P is -3,6. -3,6. And Q is 7,11. Find the gradient of this line. That's the line PQ. Hello. Hello, have you gotten it?
Sir, please, I got M to be half, 1/2.
1/2, that's correct. The gradient is 1/2. The rest, did you get that? So here M gradient is equals to 1/2 or half. Kofi, did you get that?
Yes, please.
Okay. So at this point, I would like us to end here. And then I give you the assignment. But the assignment, I'll prepare it and put it on the page. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So, Rachel,
Sir,
I want you to summarize what you have done today. Up to this, what we have done. What have we done today? Summarize it for us.
okay. So, sir, please, we learned how to find coordinates when with different ratios. And then we know that the formula is given by mx2 plus nx1 over m plus n, comma, my2 plus ny1 over m plus n. Yes. And then we learned how to solve for the coordinates. We proved the formula. And then we also learned how to find the external.
Okay, the division of a line into a ratio is by We have the internal division, then we have the external division.
Yes,
Okay, so we also learned about the external division,
yes, please.
which we said is equals to what?
mx2 minus nx1 over m minus n, comma, my2 minus ny1 over m minus n.
Very good. Let's all clap for her. That's good. So you have done well. We've not finished. Then we also finally learned what?
How to find the slope of a line segment.
Okay. And that one too, what formula did we give?
It's given by change in y over change in x, which is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1.
Excellent. Okay.
Yes, please.
So at this point, do you have any question? So for the external divisions of a line, I said the formula is almost the same as the internal division of a line. But the only thing is when it is divided externally, the smaller ratio is made negative. Okay. It doesn't mean the second ratio, but I'm saying the smaller ratio is made negative. And that will give us the formula to be minus instead of the plus with the internal divisions. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. I think there is no question. Or is there any question again? Okay, so I think today the network has been very good. So you end here. I'll put the assignment on the platform. Then you answer it before Friday we meet again. Thank you very much and see you again.
Thank you too, sir.